Many bolting pump options require the customer to sacrifice portability or convenience due to the fact that they're constrained by extension cords or air hoses. The new XE Series cordless torque wrench pump is ideal for when you need the portability of a battery pump with the precision and power supplied by Enerpac hydraulics. The XE torque wrench pump is packed with features that make it advantageous for maintenance bolting applications. Here are some reasons why. First, its performance. The latest addition to Enerpac's XE cordless pump series is the new brushless DC motor, which reduces maintenance and also extends motor life. Also, the 5 amp hour 20-volt lithium-ion battery eliminates the need for air hoses, generators, or extension cords and provides excellent runtime. An additional benefit is convenience. There is a 4-inch glycerin-filled gauge for easy viewing. For ease of transport, there is an integrated handle and a carrying strap as well. Also, the pump comes with an interactive pendant that can be used in manual mode or for more advanced capabilities such as setting stored pressure, auto cycling, or providing diagnostics on the state of the pump. And lastly, the pump has a bladder reservoir which allows it to be operated in any position. There are different options for ordering the XE torque wrench pump. It can be ordered alone or in a kit that comes with 2 batteries and a charger. Within Enerpac's bolting portfolio, this new XE Series cordless torque wrench pump is the lightest and most portable solution designed for a variety of maintenance applications in numerous markets. So whether you're checking bolts at the top of a wind tower or you need a tool in a remote location, the XE torque wrench pump is the ideal solution for your maintenance bolting needs. For more information, visit Enerpac.com. Also, check out our Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube channel for more information on how our products can make you safer and more productive.